Greetings everybody and welcome back to Onesixtyfourland with another GreenLight unboxing. Today we have the Dually Driver Series 11, which I understand at this juncture is not the newest release, but there was a lot of castings in this series that I skipped the first time it came out, and I figured it would make a nice unboxing if I went ahead and ordered a sealed case. So this came from 3000 Toys. They didn't send anything for free. They don't know I'm doing this video. They don't know that I'm giving them a shout out. But I appreciate how they do business, so I do it anyway. All right. So let's see what we got here. Again, Dually Driver Series 11. Great series. I'm a big fan of dual-wheeled trucks, and what better way to showcase that with a series of itself. So first off, 2022 Ram 3500 Dually Wrecker. This is the new Ram, as you can see here, and this will match nicely to earlier in the Dually Driver series. They released an all-white version of this, but it was the older Ram body style. So pretty neat comparison here. All right, just a little list of that. All right, let's see what we got next. This is the 2019 Ram 3500 Bighorn. I looked this color up, and this is actually one of their specialty colors. So this is, where is it on the back? It doesn't say the colors on here. It's like, I think it's safety yellow maybe, or maybe that's the Ford. But regardless, this color exists in real life in a 1-to-1. Now you'll notice the front tire appears to be popped off the wheel there, or maybe it's shrunk, I'm not sure. I don't want to say typical GreenLight QC, but these things happen, okay? And I know the biggest fans of GreenLight will just say, well, you know, they're made in the quantity of thousands and blah, 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 blah. So, all right, this one's cool. This is the 2019 Ford F-350 Dually. This is the Houston Fire Department Public Affairs Division. This has a metal chassis, which is unique. So this casting here actually comes with either a metal chassis or a plastic chassis, and it's really hit or miss, because in the prototype pictures or the preview pictures that you get on GreenLight's Flickr page, sometimes it'll show a metal chassis, and then when you get it in hand, it's in fact plastic. So this one actually looks a little wonky. If you could see here, it's really jacked up, but who knows? Maybe not. It looks pretty straight from the side there. So I won't know until I open it, which I will. All right, next up is the 2018 Silverado 3500 Dually Service Bed, Union Pacific Railroad Maintenance. That is a lot to fit on one tab here. So this is it's great use of this casting here, great use of the utility bed, and pretty neat there. I like the yellow accents for the Union Pacific Railroad. Again, this has a plastic chassis. This has never come in a metal chassis. Nice looking truck, nice tinted windows. The front is leaves a little to be desired, but overall, I like this one. All right, two more, and I think they're both the older Chevys. So this is a 71 C30 Dually Wrecker and STP. So if you look closely, you can see the grille is going to be different than the next one I show you. Metal chassis. Here's another one that the wheel is all screwed up. So yeah, sure, GreenLight makes thousands of products, but so far 2 out of 5 have issues. So. And lastly is the Michelin 67. So you can see the front end is different on this. The grille is different, if you can see that. Probably not. But again, I'll crack these open at some point. I'll take photographs. And yeah, so you can see the wheel back here is coming off the tires coming off the wheel. So again, 50% of these cars have issues, but we're just going to attribute this to they make a whole lot, right? We're not going to highlight their QC issues. We're just going to keep nut swinging, right? All right. So again, this is the dually drivers Series 11. All right. That's it for now. Check back later. I'll get some pictures going. Thanks for viewing. Cheers.